Welcome to the Tech Sharmit vlog. Today, we're stepping into one of the most vibrant and heartwarming celebrations, the Grand Durga Puja. In this vlog, we'll walk through stunning pandals, see Ma Durga in all her glory, enjoy the festive lights, sounds, and of course, the incredible Bengali culture that makes this festival so special. From the moment you enter, it's like stepping into a whole new world. The air buzzing with excitement, families laughing together, the aroma of street food filling every corner, and the rhythmic beats of the traditional dhaak calling everyone to celebrate. We'll meet people dressed in elegant Bengali attire, watch traditional performances, and capture those fun moments that make Durga Puja not just a festival, but a living, breathing celebration of devotion, community, and joy. So come along with me as we explore the colors, the lights, the music, and the love that the Bengali community pours into this festival every single year. Let's dive right in and experience the magic of Durga Puja together. The evening air was alive with excitement as families made their way to the Durga Puja pandal, each step echoing with laughter and anticipation. The pandal glowed in soft pink lights, delicate lanterns swaying gently, welcoming everyone into this world of celebration. Street food stalls lined the paths, filling the air with the irresistible aroma of steaming rolls, spicy chops, and sweet jalebis. People moved gracefully through the crowd, dressed in traditional Bengali attire, women in elegant red and white sarees, men in crisp dhoti and kurtas. Each outfit a tribute to the rich culture behind this festival. Children clung to their parents' hands, friends paused to capture selfies, and every corner seemed to hum with life, music, and the gentle rhythms of dhaak drums in the distance. Here, at this very moment, Durga Puja wasn't just a festival. It was a living, breathing story of joy, community, and devotion. A little ahead, the laughter of children floated above the crowd, mixing with the distant beats of the dhaak. Tiny hands clutched colorful balloons, bobbing in the air like floating sparks of joy. The aroma of popcorn and candy floss lingered as kids ran toward the rides, their eyes sparkling with excitement. The jhulas, swings, swayed gently, carrying giggles and squeals, while parents watched fondly, sometimes joining in the fun themselves. Each ride, each playful spin, seemed to echo the carefree spirit of Durga Puja. A reminder that this festival wasn't just about rituals or decorations, but also about shared happiness, community smiles, and the simple, heartwarming magic of childhood. As we stepped closer to the heart of the celebration, the pandal doors opened into a world buzzing with life. People streamed in and out, faces lit with joy, conversations flowing freely between friends and family. Laughter mingled with the soft rustle of sarees and kurtas, the traditional Bengali attire adding splashes of red, white, and gold to the vibrant scene. Selfie points were dotted around, and groups paused, arms linked, capturing memories against the glowing backdrop of festive decorations. Children peeked curiously at the dazzling lights, elders exchanged warm greetings, and everywhere there was that unmistakable feeling of togetherness. Here, in this throng of joyous celebration, Durga Puja revealed its soul, not just in rituals, but in shared smiles, playful chatter, and the quiet beauty of culture woven into every dress, every gesture, every glance. Beyond the hustle of the crowd, some found their spot on neatly arranged chairs, settling in to soak up the next layer of celebration. The air was filled with the rhythmic beats of the dhaak, the soft notes of traditional Bengali music weaving through the chatter. Performers, dressed in vibrant costumes, brought stories to life with graceful dances and expressive gestures, each movement echoing devotion and joy. People leaned back, eyes wide with admiration, letting themselves be carried away by the rhythm and colors, while the soft glow of lanterns above cast a warm, magical light over the scene. Conversations hushed as applause rippled through the audience, smiles shared between strangers and loved ones alike. In these quiet, fleeting moments, the festival's essence revealed itself, not just in sights and sounds, but in the shared delight of experiencing culture, artistry, and togetherness. And then, there she was, Ma Durga herself, radiant and majestic, seated in all her glory. The pandal seemed to pause for a heartbeat as people gathered around, eyes lifted in awe. The idol glowed under soft golden lights, intricate details of her attire and ornaments shimmering, each gesture full of grace and power. The rhythmic beats of the dhaak grew louder, blending with the resonant sound of conch shells and the gentle chants of Jai Ma Durga that echoed around the hall. Families bowed respectfully, children watched wide-eyed, and friends whispered to one another, marveling at the craftsmanship and devotion poured into every detail. There was an unspoken connection in that moment between the goddess, the people, and the community that had lovingly brought this vision to life. It was more than art. It was devotion, culture, and pride, all woven together, a reminder of the enduring spirit of the Bengali community and the heart of Durga Puja itself. As the evening drew to a close, the crowd began to drift toward the exit, still carrying the warmth and energy of the celebration in their steps. People walked slowly, saving the last glimpses of the glowing decorations, the softly fading lights reflecting on happy, tired faces. Conversations lingered, laughter floated through the air, and children clutched the balloons they had bought earlier, reluctant to let go of the day's magic. Couples, families, and friends exchanged fond farewells, some pausing for a final selfie at the last selfie points, wanting to carry a piece of this joy home. Even as they left, the soft rhythms of the dhaak and the echo of Jai Ma Durga seemed to follow them, a gentle reminder of the devotion, love, and community that had created this beautiful experience. Walking out, everyone carried with them not just memories of lights, food, and music, but the heart of Durga Puja itself, a festival alive in every smile, every gesture, every shared moment. So if you love exploring festivals, culture, and the magic of celebrations like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Tech Sharmit family. Trust me, you won't want to miss more fun, colorful, and heartfelt vlogs like this one. Let's dive into the world of Durga Puja together.